Ah, there it is. I just made 4 different kinds of egg breakfasts. Hi there, I'm Carrie and this is Ziggy, and we're about to make some eggs. And we're going to make them quickly. Well, I hope we're going to make them quickly. On Amazon, I found this Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. It claims it can cook 6 eggs faster than boiling eggs, so I am going to put it to the test. So not only does it boil eggs, it claims it can make omelets, soft-boiled eggs, and poached eggs. So we'll check that out too. Let's start cooking some eggs. All right, so here's what we're working with. Up first, I'm going to try to hard boil 3 eggs. So this includes yummy recipes. Here's our instructions and our recipe book. So inside, I already have the boiling tray since I'm starting with boiled eggs. This includes an omelet bowl and a poaching tray. It gives you nice detailed instructions on how to boil eggs, poach eggs, make an omelet, and clean and maintain it. The recipe guide includes deviled eggs, eggs Benedict, egg salad, tomato and spinach frittata, and some other recipe ideas. Pretty cool. The first step makes me a little nervous. You need to pierce the bottom of each egg with a measuring cup. But first things first, let's open this up. The measuring cup does have this little poker. It's covered by this shield that I can't remove. Whoop, there we go. Okay, I'm going to poke the bottom of the egg. Again, this makes me nervous. Don't crack. Oh, okay, there we go. I keep thinking I'm going to crack the whole thing. Okay, little tiny hole down there. I guess the hole is too small for the yolk to pour out, but that still makes me kind of nervous. So this is a handy dandy little chart. If you're making 1 to 3 eggs, it tells you how long to cook them for. Soft-boiled, medium egg, and hard-boiled egg. And you fill the water up to here for soft, here for medium, and here for hard. I just realized these need to be bottoms up. That makes more sense so nothing pours out. I think I'll try medium boiled eggs first. And if that works, we'll move up to hard-boiled eggs. Okay, so we just pour this into the heating plate. I'm really hoping this works, guys. I would love to have eggs on my salad for lunch. Okay, we'll just pop this little cover on. Okay, what is this? What is this? Wait a minute. Oh, it's supposed to be the handle. Okay, that seems pretty important. Ooh, I think I need to lift this up. Yep, that did the trick. Put our eggs back in here. What I may do is space them out so they all have a little bit of room. Now we can put this lid on, lock it into place. Now I just need to find the power button. Power button, here you are. And we just press this. Based on my chart here, for 1 to 3 medium eggs, we need to cook it for 9 minutes. Let me set my timer and we'll be back in 9 minutes. So I just wanted to pop in here and tell you that about 30 seconds after I push this, it's steaming up. It's getting to work very quickly. We're about 2 minutes in and we can see that there's a lot of condensation. Maybe not the smartest thing to do, but this is pretty warm to the touch. So don't touch that like I just did. Something is happening. What is going on? Okay, I think it was alerting me that that was 7 minutes, which would make soft-boiled eggs. Ah, why does it keep doing that? It says when eggs are finished cooking, a buzzer will sound. Oh, we hit the power switch to silence it, and actual cooking time will depend on the number of eggs and desired style. But that was just 7 minutes, and that's what we want for soft-boiled. I've probably let it go another minute since I turned that off. I'm a little confused why that buzzer was going off. How does it know those eggs are done? Well, let's check in and see what it considers done and how these eggs look. Now this is pretty hot. I was able to handle it without an oven mitt, but it was a little dicey. Okay, these are not hot, so I can slide it by that. Okay. Oh, those are pretty hot. Pretty hot. Going to use a paper towel. Okay, that works fine. I see there's still water in there. I was wondering if that's what triggered the buzzer when the water was all gone. I did put in the amount for a medium egg. There's just the tiniest bit of water left, so maybe that's what triggered the buzzer. Okay, so when you let eggs sit when they're hot, they're going to keep cooking. So I'm going to go ahead and chop into one. It's a little hot, 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 hot. Okay, I'm gonna get some ice water. Okay, these are still, whoa, pretty hot. Ow, ow, ow. Now they're in the ice water. This should stop them from cooking. So I selected medium. The alarm went off at 7 minutes, which is for a soft-boiled eggs. I stood there confused for about a minute, and they've been sitting on this plate, cooking a little bit for another minute. So that's about 9 minutes total cook time, which is supposed to make a medium boiled egg. Let's see what we have here. Hey, check that out. This egg is looking pretty good. The yolk is definitely very soft. Let's cut into this. Ooh, okay, okay. There we go. That looks like a pretty perfect medium boiled egg. Okay, I'm floored. This is awesome. Now let's see if we can make a perfect hard-boiled egg. I am legit shook. I'm floored by how well this worked, and so quickly. I usually boil 12 eggs at a time for breakfast for me, my husband, and my kids. And boiling water takes forever, especially for a big batch of 12 eggs. With this, you can hard boil 6 eggs in 16 minutes. That will save me a lot of time. Ooh, that sounded bad, but it looks pretty good. All right, remember you put the bottoms up. I'll be filling this to the hard-boiled line. Okay, and then just pour it on the plate. It'll be interesting to see when the timer goes off on this. Hopefully it'll be the correct time. It was a little early last time. This is way too easy. Let's turn it on. And I'm setting my timer for 12 minutes. So in less than a minute, I can already hear the water boiling a little bit. Pretty amazing. So the timer on my watch just went off, but this has not gone off yet. So this thing is supposed to know when the eggs are done. So I'm going to trust this and not my timer, which was set for 12 minutes. There it is. So just a hair above 12 minutes. Okay, I'm going to take these out, stop them from cooking, and whoa, pop them into some ice cold water. Just gonna let them sit in the water for about, ooh, that one's hot. I can feel that. Okay, I'm gonna let this sit in the water for about a minute to stop the cooking, and then we'll see how it looks on the inside. Okay, I let those sit in the ice cold water to stop the cooking, and it's time, whoa, to get cracking. This shell is coming off really easily. Nice. I love an egg that's easy to peel. Okay, looks good, feels good. Let's slice into it. It is hard boiled. This one had a tiny little yolk. Let me cut it again. Yep, that's a hard boiled egg. It's probably medium boiled right there, so I could have let it sit a little bit longer, maybe another minute in the machine to make it fully hard boiled. But that is pretty perfect. That is amazing. Okay, I just ate that piece because I'm hungry. And I wanted to see how it tasted. I do notice a pretty big difference in how soft the egg white is. I think because it's steamed, it has a really, really soft egg white, which is pretty delicious. I can't stop eating it. Okay, this may sound crazy, but this may be the best hard-boiled egg I have ever eaten. So good! Well, now that I've had some lunch, let's keep going. Here's our poaching tray. So use cooking spray to lightly grease it. Whoa, that's not too light. Spread that around a little bit with my finger. I'm going to break an egg into one side of this. There you go. Whoa, it perfectly fills up that side of the tray. Okay, now that my egg is on there, I fill this to the omelet and poached line, which is right there. Same deal, just pour it right into this tray. Okay, here we go. Going to cover it. This should shut off and the alarm should sound when it's done. Here we go. Let's see how long this takes. 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Let's see what's going on. Do we have a poached egg? We do. Oh, this is so amazing. Come on, egg. Whoa, there we go. This is amazing. Let's cut into this, see what's going on inside. Oh, there's the yolk. Again, the white is really soft. That's a poached egg that we have, guys. This is amazing. Let's scramble an egg. I think I've found my favorite cooking gadget. Keep saying scramble an egg. A scrambled egg, omelet. I'm not really adding anything to it, so it's going to be scrambled eggs. I already lightly greased this. This can hold 1 to 2 eggs. We're going for 1. Okay, so it said to whisk it in a separate bowl, and I see why. There's not a lot of room in here. Now, if you had 2 eggs in here, that would be a real problem whisking it, but this is working out pretty well. You guys know the drill now. We just add the water, pop the top on, and get cooking. Again, I'll set my timer to see how long this takes. So that took almost 6 minutes to make. Scrambled eggs or an omelet. Whoa, look how big it cooked up. The only problem I see with this is I did not whisk it enough, so you can see the yolk right here. But it looks pretty awesome. It looks like it's cooked all the way through. Look at that. This is amazing. What can't this thing do? This gadget gets a big thumbs up. I just made 4 different kinds of egg breakfasts. That was amazing, you guys. Okay, I am 100% impressed with that. It made the perfect medium boiled egg, the perfect hard boiled egg. I'm sure it makes great soft boiled eggs. The egg white was so soft. It was delicious. I've been wanting to try steamed eggs, and this steaming process was so easy. The poached egg looked great. I actually gave it to my husband to have with his lunch, and the scrambled eggs look pretty good, except for I didn't whisk them all the way. That was my bad. So I'm really excited that this works so well and that I could share it with you. If you're interested in checking it out, I'll link it down below, and hopefully it can help you make breakfast faster and you can get to other things. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Time to go eat my egg lunch.